How's it going, everyone? It's time once again for a weekly watch list. What this is the exact zones / levels I'm watching for the upcoming week and how I'm going to trade them. So let's just get right into this. First up, ticker SPY. I have two zones here I'm watching. We have supply and demand, of course, based off the hourly time frame. I'm watching for a possible reject up here. I'm not sold we're going to reject there, so I'll be watching price action and volume to confirm. But if we break above this, I'll wait on the retest for possible call entry or long entry. You can trade ES futures based off these levels. So, if we break above, looking for that retest for the continuation, okay? Possible bounce back around this 602, 602.9 area. I'm not interested in entering anywhere inside this zone. Honestly, it's coming back out for a possible call or ES long entry. Pretty straightforward there. Up next, ticker SPX. This is basic support resistance and areas of confluence. You can trade based off these levels if you would like. I have a video kind of walking you through how I use it if you want to check that out. Or it can just be simply a guide for you. Like you don't want to be going long on ES below, resistance on SPX. You don't want to be going short above support. Simple things like that can keep you from getting stopped out unnecessarily. Okay, so get these charted, and we're going to move on to QQQ and NQ next. And be sure you stick around to the end. I have a possible leap / swing trade setup for you all. Also, before we go on, I want to say this. I'm going to do a webinar some point next week. I'm going to have some education, and I'm going to be talking about the new swing trading edition for Grizzology that's dropping as well. So the best place to keep up with that will be my Instagram stories and stuff. I'll keep you all updated. I got to get the actual swing trading part put on the current Grizzology indicator for you all. So all my subscribers, you have something to look forward to next week. It took some work, but I think I got something really special for you all. So if you want to be a part of that free webinar, just keep an eye there. QQQ. So QQQ and NQ chart look very similar. We got both of the charts. You can see a double top form on the hourly. We sold off nicely. You can clearly see we have supply here and demand here right now. These two zones are going to be key for the week. One scenario, which would be what I would prefer, is we kind of consolidate, right? And we catch the breakout part. I'm not looking to chase the breakout candle. I'm looking to enter off a retest, as we always do. So if we break out to the upside, retest for a long or call entry. You can trade NQ based off QQQ. Break down, push back up, retest for a possible lower high entry. Okay, I will be watching the 5-minute. I've been looking at the 3-minute some as well last week, and it's been solid. So that may be something I have to implement very soon into my strategy. The more I look at it, the more I like it. As far as futures goes, keep in mind I day trade futures 95% of the time or more. I swing trade individuals and stuff, but I prefer to day trade futures. Once you trade NQ, I feel like it's hard to go back. I think you all could probably agree with me. And as far as bounces, once we lose this current demand, I don't have much until way down here around this 520 for a possible bounce for calls or NQ longs. And I will be live trading on here every day next week. Starts at market open 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, so be here. We have a really great community of people that show up for that. Sometimes 3,000 plus. It's a very, very good community. Good conversation, good trades, and just a great place to spend your morning, especially if you, like a lot of people, don't like trading along. All right, everyone, up next is NQ. This could be one of my favorite setups I've seen in a little while. I like how we're ranging here. We have clear supply and demand. The ideal trade would be the breakout, okay? Not chasing the red or green candle coming out of this, but waiting on the retest, okay? Safe for entry. So if we break above, come back down, retest, price action confirms longs for the move to the upside. Same thing here. We break down, come back up, retest for a possible short entry. These two zones are key for the upcoming week. Could set the tone, but we shall see. I don't really try to guess from day to day. I simply create my zones and follow my game plan. Up next is the possible leap trade I'm looking at. It's on Walmart. It's been a while since I traded Walmart. I used to day trade this quite often when it was a larger stock. After the split, I really don't like trading smaller stocks as far as day trading goes. I did make some money off this already with some leaps, so keep that in mind. Looking for a leap entry right in this area we're in. Probably keep my stop on right here, a daily close back below this 92 area. 92.3, 92. We get a daily close back below that. I would probably be out, have a price target of 100 plus on this trade. I will let you all know if I take it inside Team Bull, but everything goes right. Tomorrow I will be opening up some leap call options. I typically go out 5+ months in expiration if that helps you. And that's it for the weekly watch list, everyone. I appreciate you all for being here. Hopefully you can show up for the upcoming webinar. I will keep you updated, like I said, throughout the week on my Instagram. If you don't know how to get to my Instagram, go to grizzlytrades.com. There'll be a link in the description. You can find all my socials there, okay? If they're not there, they're not my socials, okay? So that's where you can find all of them. And those that plan on signing up for Grizzology this week, to catch up on the current version, you can grab the guide there as well. It's free. Read through it, watch my YouTube video, and I will have something special for you all during that webinar, so you don't want to miss that either. Appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.